Build confidence with your English skills, specifically in the world of healthcare, with customized English Plus. In addition to regular English language classes, the English Plus Healthcare program gives you chances to strengthen the specific English you need to use as a healthcare professional. Specialized workshops, tours, and activities will help you practice your speaking, listening, reading, and writing with the specialized language you'll use in your work every day, so you're ready to communicate clearly and confidently in real healthcare settings.
My name is Mao. I'm from Japan and I live in Wakayama, near Osaka. I came to Canada to learn about health care and public health and how to care for people from different cultures. My teachers were very kind and supportive. They created an environment where it was easy to ask questions. The workshops helped me learn how to talk to people from different backgrounds. This will help me in the future to work as a nurse. I was able to compare the healthcare system and ideas with Japan. It helps me understand the different cultures and more ideas. This program is a great chance to learn English and experience different cultures in Canada. It is very valuable.